is a center of excellence for organ transplantation. We have performed more than 400 kidney transplants, and recently we have performed first liver transplant, which was a bloodless surgery. There was no blood loss, no requirement of blood for the surgery. And we have done a cadaver transplant, successful transplant for a patient, a businessman from Vijayawada. And the patient has recovered fully, being discharged today. And Apollo Hospitals has the best infrastructure, facility. We have state-of-the-art 6 modular operation theatres, a very good critical care setup in which there is good bed-to-bed space, round the clock, MD doctor is available. We have state-of-the-art diagnostics with best possible CT scan, MRI, and a very good team of super specialist doctors, including liver transplant surgeons, including anesthetists, transplant anesthetist, good intensivist, urologist, very good team of anesthetists, people who take care of patients after transplant. Also, we have launched our liver clinic today. We have a very good team of gastroenterologists, and therefore we are also launching today the gastro and liver clinic at Apollo Hospital, Visakhapatnam. It is also a center of excellence for gastroenterology, besides the center of excellence for organ transplantation. We want to give the message of gift of life, because one donor, cadaveric donor, can save 8 lives. So the gift of life, and Jeevan Daan is doing a remarkable work, is doing excellent work, and in the entire country, after Chennai, in Andhra, Telangana, there are maximum organ donations, and there is requirement of 5 lakh donors, and 5 lakh patients are waiting for the transplantation every year. So by promoting cadaveric transplantation, by promoting donations of organs after the death, we can bridge in the gap, and the life of 5 lakh people can be saved by promoting organ transplantation and by promoting cadaveric organ transplantation. So my message to all is, please pledge to gift your organs after death. By doing this, you will be doing a lot of good for community. All religions